Hello everyone, Shane the building biologist coming to you from Vancouver, Washington today. And this seems to be a theme lately, but in neighborhoods without overhead power lines, I am finding elevated AC magnetic fields. And building biology guidelines call for this to be around 0.2 milligauss for areas where you spend a lot of time, like a bedroom or an office. So that's kind of our guideline here. And out in the middle of the street in a neighborhood, I would expect it to be actually lower than that. So I was alarmed when I found this. Now, at this point, we're just slightly elevated, about 0.5, so a little bit higher, but we're gonna take a walk just down the street. Now we're at 0.6, and this is why I try to hammer it home with all of you. You've got to check out your neighborhood. You can't assume that it's safe from external sources of EMF, just like you check out your home. It's really important to get your own meters or have a professional like myself come out and give you the all clear, or if there's an issue, at least you know about it and can work with your building biologist to develop a remediation plan. So, all right, now we're at 1.5. And again, 0.2 is what we want to be, or less. Now we're 2.5, 3, 5, 7, 8. Jumping up real quick. This is about where it peaks. Dropping back down, but actually most parts of the neighborhood, and I did take a walk, are going to stay elevated. And so there's some kind of issue here related to how these structures are intertied. And so that can be on the water pipes. And you can see a pipe where the asphalt's been torn up here, and we've got a pipe running through. So that could be one thing. We also have street lamps, which could be related. So I'm gonna do a little more investigation here and try and get to the bottom of this. But again, it's really important to not assume that your neighborhood's okay, to actually take some steps to verify that. So thanks for checking out this video. Make sure you subscribe, and also check out the description below. I'll put in the consumer level EMF meters that I recommend.